Hello and welcome back to my channel. I've been watching my previous videos and I'm like, why do you sound like your dog just died? So I'm like, you know what? My next video, I'm gonna sound happy and hyped. So hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be trying makeup from Dollar Tree. It's the store where everything costs $1. So I brought everything right here. And this cute little, I got this cute little bag from Dollar Tree too. It says it's a little see-through bag, and then these are all the makeup. They barely have anything, like they just don't have much. And then if you're black, if you're a woman of color, too bad, cause they don't have, you know what? Just keep watching. They didn't have any primers, so I will not be priming my face today. And for example, they had this foundation that's like, I believe it's really light for my skin, but that's the darkest shade that they had. So we're gonna try it and see. I got an eyeliner, it's a black eyeliner. Got a concealer. Hope you can see it. I got this little eyeshadow palette, and it comes with one of those super old brushes. And I got this powder, and I also got this. It's 3-in-1. It's a lipstick, a blush, and eyeshadow. So with that being said, let's get into the video. First thing we're gonna use is this we're just gonna pretend like that didn't just happen. I'm gonna pump some on my hand so you can see how light this is. Oh my god. This is really, look at that. This is the darkest shade that they have. I'm gonna go ahead and oh, what? I'm about to be transformed to a white woman. Oh my god. This is not okay. Oh my god. We're just gonna blend it, okay? Oh my god. If you want to play a dead person for Halloween, you can just go to Dollar Tree and get your foundation there, and you're gonna look like a dead body, just like me. Black people just don't exist to Dollar Tree. Like, it's like we just don't exist. It's like, black people, what is that? There's some line here because of my gel that I use for my edges. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use this pencil that I got from Dollar Tree a while ago. It works nice, so we're gonna use this one. So I have the world's most disturbing eyebrows ever. Like, My eyebrows were super disturbing. I don't even know if I should use the concealer, but let's see. This is the concealer I'm gonna use to conceal my eyebrows. Oh my god. And this was the darkest shade that they had in concealer as well. So let's make me look more dead. I guess we should highlight. Oh Lord. Oh my god. This is so crazy. I'm going to use my hand again because when I use a brush, like all of it is just gone. This is the darkest powder that they had, so while my face is baking by this powder, we're gonna do the, oh Lord, my shirt is always getting makeup on it. This is what we have for eyeshadow. I'm gonna go into this one first. The eyeshadows don't have names, so I don't know what to call it. It's very powdery, like it's so like, oh my god. So I'm gonna go into this one right there. Just gonna do the corners. I'm gonna go into this blue right here because I feel like it matches my shirt. So we're gonna use this blue right there, right at the top, because it matches my shirt. I think wetting the brush helps it. I'm gonna go back in with the same shade, this one. I'm gonna go in with the, I'm gonna go into this one right there. Now we're gonna do the lower bottom with the same color. Next, I'm going to use my eyeliner. This is what it looks like. I am going to go put on some lashes and I will be right back. So, still no lashes. Let me try that again. And I'm back. So now I'm going to clean the I'm gonna blend in my powder. Now I'm gonna blend in my powder from earlier. I swear, I use this brush for everything, okay? This is my brush that I use for everything, okay? This right here is the 3-in-1 that is, it's a lipstick, it's a blush, and it's an eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna put some in the corner because I kind of like my I like my lipstick to have a little bit of what my eyeshadow has going on. Like there's just so much blue, so I'm gonna put some pink just in the corner. I don't know if you can see that, but for highlight, I'm just gonna go back into the eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna dip into like that color right there. I'm gonna use that for highlight because all of everything is shimmer in this palette. We don't know. Yeah, we don't gotta do all of that. Okay, so I am done and this is the final look. So It's not that bad when I look at it on camera, but honestly, it's way too light for my skin. Way. If you're black, do not go. If you're dark skin, do not go to Dollar Tree for foundation. They don't have your color. Maybe in some other locations they might, but at the one here where I live, they don't have it. I mean, at many Dollar Trees that I've been to, they don't ever have dark skinned women's foundations. So that's sad. That's super sad. It's like black people just don't exist. But everything else, oh, and the concealer too. Concealers, they don't have your shade, honey. Unless you like to use really light concealers, then they got exactly what you want. And for the eyeshadow, wow, I'm actually really impressed. I wet the brush to get like more pigment from it. Besides the fact that the eyeshadow is so much powdery, it's actually not that bad. And then they have the little eyebrow pencil, which, you know, worked fine, not bad. And then they have their little blush slash lipstick slash eyeshadow that I used actually all three for. And yeah, other than that, if you want, I'm just so disappointed in the foundation and the concealer. And yeah, I forgot about this right here. No, this is not okay. I don't know, like, this is, no, it's just not okay. If you're just gonna sell makeup for like certain type of women's, just don't sell makeup at all. If you're not gonna have makeup for every type of women's, just don't sell makeup, period. So that being said, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like button. If you also wanted me to make another video like this from a different store, from Sephora or from Walmart or Walgreens, let me know down below and I will be glad to make another video. So stay for the end for some pictures that I'm going to edit and make look good. So yeah, I love you. Bye.